welcome to Day 2, Topic 1 of our Olympiad series, and today we will be learning about product sum identities. So this is one of the main formulas. There are 6 of them, which you can find on the Notion website, and that you should have memorized for the contest. And so this one is the sine of A times cosine of B equals to the sine of A plus B plus the sine of A minus B all over 2. So notice how if you multiply by both sides by 2, you get 2 sine A cosine B equals that sum right there. So let's see how this identity in particular can help us solve the 2024 AMCA question number 8. So it's asking us how many angles theta from 0 to pi can satisfy this equation right here. So to start off, remember that when there isn't a base on our logs, we immediately assume that the base is 10. And using our combining of same bases for logs, we can rewrite this as log base 10. And remember, when we're adding inside the log, we have to multiply. So we get sine 3 theta multiplied by cosine of 2 theta, which all equals 0. And remember, by the property of logarithms, we want to find 10 to the power of 0 equals this whole inner expression. And 10 to the power of 0 is simply 1. So we know that 1 is equal to sine 3 theta cosine 2 theta. And see how that looks just like what we have on our identity, which is sine A cosine B. So in our case, the 3 theta is our A value, and the 2 theta is our B value. So let's see if we can rewrite this expression in terms of how we wrote it in our identity. So remember that sine of A cosine B simplifies to sine of A plus B, which in our case is 3 theta plus 2 theta, which is 5 theta, and plus sine of A minus B, which is 3 theta minus 2 theta, which is just theta. And all divided by 2. Now, multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get 2 equals sine of 5 theta plus sine of theta. So now, going back to what the question is asking for, is to what theta satisfies our equation. So since for sine and cosine, the only way for these two to add up to 2 is for sine of 5 theta to equal 1 and sine of theta to also equal 1. So to do that, the only value of theta is pi over 2. So that seems like our answer. But remember, we always want to plug it into our original equation. And looking up here, the inside of a log can never be negative. And if we think about this on a unit circle, what is 3 times pi over 2? Well, that would actually be all the way on this side of the unit circle, meaning that the sine of 3 theta is actually negative. So that would give us 0 solutions. So the answer to this question is 0. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time for topic 2.2. Happy problem solving!